Hey, welcome back to Fixing It Blind. So what we're going to do real quick, I'm going to show you how to do a tire sealant install. We're going to use tire slime today. I only recommend doing this in off-road tires. Now, if it's like a side-by-side or an ATV and you're going on like long trail rides, there's a different product that I recommend that works far better, but it's way more expensive. Now, first thing we do is we use the cap that comes with it to remove the valve's core, okay? Now we don't want to lose that. Now we're going to follow the directions to unlock the cap of the slime. You push this hose over it. Now on a tire this size for like a snowblower, 4, maybe 5 pumps should be good. 2, 3, 4, we'll go ahead and give them 5. All right. Now it's gonna blow out back a little bit. That's normal. And it's real simple. All you gotta do is put the valve core back in, okay? Put the valve core back in, and then air the tire up. We'll go ahead and do the other one as well. This one has a cap, the other one didn't. I don't have any caps lying around. And then basically what you want to do right away is you're going to fill it up to the tire pressure that it calls for. And then you want to roll it around so that the tire stuff can coat the entire tire. You won't have to deal with flat tires on your snowblower anymore. Or wheelbarrow or whatever. So again, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm gonna blow back out. Put the valve core back in the tool again. And put it back in the machine. Okay, tighten her down. And then use this to plug the end of the hose. And here's how I buy it, because we use it a lot in the shop for like lawn mowers and such. It's a cheap way to seal up your tires. And if you run over a nail or something, you know, obviously you're probably not going to run over a nail in your driveway, but if you do, it'll help seal that up. And also, these snowblower tires, they're used in extreme colds, so they just are constantly going flat on people. All right, well, if you guys have any questions or have any other sealers or any other products that you think that would work good, let me know if you got, you know, any history with any of this. Now, in automotive tires, okay, I come from an automotive background. This stuff sucks in your tire. Don't put it in your automotive. So don't put it in your car or truck. It makes it such a mess for the guy who has to replace your tires or go in and repair it properly. I mean, if you're in a bind in the middle of nowhere and there's no place for you to fix it and your spare is flat or whatever, then go ahead and use it. But emergencies only, right? But on small lawn equipment, just go ahead and use it. Put it in as a preventative, and it'll save you a lot of hassle in the long run. All right, I will put a link down in there. It is an affiliate link. It does support the channel. We do make a little bit of small amount of money off of it. If you want to support the channel, feel free to click the link, go to Amazon, and pick up the tire slime. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.